Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are watching. You are walking in today's discourse. In today's discourse, we want to look into this topic, which I think is important and necessary to look into, to sensitize and enlighten the public of what the duty of a bailiff or sheriff of court is all about. So the topic is the duty of a bailiff or sheriff of the court. Who is a bailiff? A bailiff is an officer of the court who is saddled with responsibilities of ensuring the court processes is being served on a party involved in a matter. On a party involved in a matter. They are the messengers of the court. They serve court processes. They levy executions. And so many other things which we will look into. We will look into the duties and their functions of this bailiff. Because we have noticed that over time, this bailiff or sheriff of the court, they are always assaulted, beaten as a result of carrying out their duties. The defendant or the parties involved, they always assault them as if they are the one that took them to court. I want to sensitize and see how to give a reorientation to the public on who a bailiff of the court is all about, who they are and what they do in the court, in order not to see them as their enemy, in order not to assault them again. I want us to look into this because it is pertinent to see it. Starting of a matter and ending of every matter start from a bailiff of the court. A bailiff of the court carry out serve court process originating summons, levy execution of the court. So we are going to look into the functions or duties of a bailiff of a court. One of them is serving originating summons. Serving originating summons. What is originating summons? Originating summons is that summons that is being filed by the claimant or applicant in a matter to serve to the defendant. It is where the beginning of every matter starts from. It is the genesis of every matter. Originating processes, which can come as a result of writ of summon, or writ of summon under undefended list. It can come as an originating summons. It can also come as petition. It can also come if it is a tenancy matter. It can come as a ordinary summons, and so on. It is the bailiff that is saddled with this responsibility to ensure that this process is served on the person, not the lawyer. Not the lawyer. Originating process must be served on the person. Now, when this originating process, when the bailiff come to serve in this originating process, he is expected of the bailiff to serve it on the defendant in question. Not to his wife, not to his children, not to his relatives, but to the person involved, If the originating process is addressed on the company, it is the responsibility of the bailiff to serve it on the principal officer of the company, the MD, the manager, the human resource manager, the secretary, and so on. When a bailiff comes to serve you this originating process, which is addressed on an individual, if he come there to serve you and you refuse to take it, the law is that he should throw it on you. Leave it on the person. So you saying that I will not take, you didn't serve me. It is none of the business of the bailiff. He will write the post affidavit of serving and tell the court how he served the document, that he served you received to take it, but he threw it on you. And the court will deem it as a proper service. If it is a company, he come and serve you, the corporate organization, and you people refuse to take it, it is the power of the way to drop it or to leave it at the registered address of that company. The court will see it as a proper service. So it pains me where most of you say that I didn't sign, so he didn't serve me. It is lie, my brother, my sister. Take your document. See, it's even more better to receive an operating process and give it to a lawyer than even serving by substituted service, which will be a discussion for another day. I will tell you service on substituted service, how it's being done. That will be another discourse. Because we'll take it step by step, because many of you fail to understand the duty of a bailiff. They are empowered by law to do all these things. To throw it, to leave it, if you don't want to take it. When most of you fight them when they leave document on you, throw it on you, or leave it on the corporate, the premises of the corporate organization. People want to fight them. You are making a mistake. You are so doing. You are beating the court sent him. The young man or the young woman did not send himself. It is the court that sent him to come and serve this process. Why beating him? Why assaulting him? Most of you will say you no go. Pick the document. If you don't pick it, I will not open the gate for you. My dear, doing that, you are indeed making a mistake, because he can sue you. That act is an actionable offense. Stop assaulting a bailiff. Most of you, the bailiff will even call you on phone. Please, sir, I am a bailiff. I have a court document for you. My dear brother, run and pick it, because it's for your good, so that you will see what the party or the claimant or the defendant is alleging you did. Why not you take the document and see the nonsensical nonsense the person is writing against you? If you don't pick it, you will not know. And when a judgment is being given, people will say judiciary is doing this. You are making a mistake. It is not true. I am here trying to let you know that you shouldn't be invading service or processes, because even if you invade it, there are so many other ways to serve you. And most of the times, those other ways to serve you are even more dangerous, because, for instance, serving by pasting. How did you may not be aware. They will paste and they will remove it. Somebody else will remove it. How will you know? My beloved brother, I am here to give you this orientation about service of processes and on how you shouldn't be invading to take the document. Another thing again I want to tell you inside this originating process, in case if the defendant come, if the bailiff come to serve you, the defendant, this process, possibly you are not there. Your wife is there. Maybe your wife will call you, or your son will call you. Daddy, there is something, the document there from a bailiff to serve you. My brother, you can equally tell your son to receive it on your behalf. How? Tell him, because if tell him to receive it on your behalf, how will he receive it? He should sign that I have the consent / authority of the defendant Mr. So and so or Engineer so and so to receive the document, this court process on his behalf. He will write his name, sign and write date. It is also a perfect service. Most courts don't frown at it. Some judges, some courts will say, no, I don't like this mode of service, that let him serve, let him be received personally. But I've also seen situations where some of this kind of service is a perfect service. Learn to be receiving court processes and stop assaulting the bailiff of the court. They are not your problem. They have no business with you. Their business simplicity is to serve you the court process. That is all. If you invade the court service, you are not doing yourself any good. Advice no be cause so. Take the message and leave the messenger. This is my word for you today. We shall continue in this discussion next time. Thank you and God bless you. Cheers.